I hope you enjoyed watching me transform a £3 whiskey stave into a stylish £10 bottle opener. You also got to see me use my burning gel recipe, burn the words beer o'clock onto the opener. If you found this quick and easy DIY project interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more craft and DIY ideas. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram to keep up with all my latest projects. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. On this side, why don't you check out my burning gel recipe video, and on this side, why don't you check out another one of my craft projects. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.